Good morning, student. Class 5 student, in this video, we will study the moral science chapter 1. And as you can see in the screen, the name of the chapter is Focus on Your Goal. Okay. In this chapter, we will learn about the value of concentration. Various times you must have heard that to be successful, goal is very important. You should have the goal, you should work according to the planning to achieve the goal. Okay? So life without goal is useless. Right? Life without goal is useless. And more than that, to have a goal in your life is important. But a more important is to concentrate on the goal. Whatever goal you are having, yes, some of the persons have the goal, but they did not concentrate on the goal. Right? So here we will learn few of the things that how to release your tensions, how to free from worries. Okay? Before we should go ahead, let's understand about the concentration. Okay? So in this chapter, focus on your goal, what we have to learn? The value concentration. Okay? So concentration means what? Concentration means in the Hindi, ध्यान केंद्रित करना. ध्यान केंद्रित करना. Okay? That means when you are doing something, you should think only about that particular thing. Forget about the world. You should think only and only about the particular thing which you are working upon. That means complete attention, giving complete attention. Working complete attention. Okay. Here is some of the exercise, children. Right? Here is some of the exercise given that how you can release the tensions. So this is the thing I think you must have learned in the yoga also, that sit on the floor as this child is sitting. Sit on the floor. Okay. Fold your hands. Not hands, sorry beta. Fold your legs. Close your eyes. Okay. As this child is doing. See in the picture. Page number 5. Okay. Take a deep, long breath. Okay. Take a deep, long breath. And breathe out slowly. Once again, take a deep breath and breathe out slowly. Then, next, again breathe normal breathing. Whatever breathing your speed is, that normal breathing rhythm you have to follow. Okay? And while doing breathing, breathe out, you have to concentrate on your breathing. That how air is going, how air is coming out. Right? So concentrate. Experience the air coming in and out. While doing so, don't think about other materials or another world. Think only and only about your breathing. In case of any disturbance, some people came, or any disturbance, start from once again. Take a deep long breath, breathe out slowly. Once again take deep breath, breathe out slowly. Natural breathing you do. Then concentrate. Then how the air is coming in the body, how it is going out. And try to forget all the worries. Focus on your breathing for some time. This is actually exercise beta that will make you relaxed and comfortable. That will make you relaxed and comfortable, and you can work with total concentration. Okay, thank you, student. In the next video, we will learn about the further story of the same chapter, The Best Archer.